In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code and then add it to your design within Canva. So assuming I am on my Canva platform right now, I just open my Canva and I have this poster that I'm working on starting a Toastmasters club in Zaria. So you can see it. Assuming I'm done and I want to add a link, I want to add a QR code so that anybody having access to this poster can now scan the QR code and be able to visit the website of Toastmasters International, or where specifically I want him to get to before signing in. Okay, so all I need is to start by coming to apps over here. So you can come over and search for QR code. Okay, you can see it over here, QR code. You're going to see the inbuilt app over here. It is free. So you click, you have to specify where do you want it to happen. So let's say anybody that scanned that QR code could be able to go to www.toastmaster.org. This is the website I want it to go to. You can put anything. Okay, you can customize the background color, the foreground color, and the margin as well. So let's say I click on generate the code and be able to see it over here. So this is the QR code that I'm going to add to my poster. So let's say I'm going to add it somewhere here. I can just resize it. So anybody who clicks on this is going to, who scan this is going to be taken to this particular website, which is toastmasters.org. So I'm going to now go to share. I'm going to download PNG. I'm going to download my poster. So I have it outside of Canva, and anybody who clicks is surely going to be taken back to, anybody who clicks, you can see my QR code generated and attached as well. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.